What's up, guys? Today I will be opening a 2020 Topps Allen and Ginter baseball cards. Look for 3 hits per box and 24 packs per box. Today was the release day, and these are really nice looking cards that have a vintage stock. I really like these cards, and let's hope we get something good. Like I said, these cards have an old vintage look. They look really nice. You can look for framed autographs, booklet cards, rip cards. You get 1 box loader per box. There we go. It's our box loader. Packs. Alright. Here's our box loader card. Let's go ahead and open that. Mike Trout, box loader, very nice. Not numbered, but cabinet box loader. We'll take it. Pack design. Alright, pack number 1. Bueller. Gavin Lux, rookie. Wong. Baseball Brit. Arias. Edmund. Is that a Jock Peterson? That's a nice design, mini. And a debut to remember, Brandon Crawford. Nice first pack there. Pack number 2. Bagwell. Fried. Ricky Henderson. Alfaro. McCovey. Green. A Lazorda mini. Tommy Lazorda. And a Abraj Albay Clock Tower. Reach for this guy. Nice insert. Pack number 3. Mookie Betts. Escobar. Ronald Acuna. McMahon. Ahmed. Dye. And an old trunk where the monsters live mini. And a long ball lore. Torre. Jose Altuve. Albert Pujols. Pence. Williams. McNeil. And a mini. Sandy Koufax, and Ivan Rodriguez. Ernie Banks, Flaherty, Siegel, Dice, Bieber, Devers, Vladdy Jr., nice, and turquoise. Okay. Andre Dawson, Christian Yelich, Zito, Mustakas, Kane, Mazurowski, a Wood, Kerry Wood, Chicago Cubs, and a Anthony Rizzo. No hits yet. Fisk, Posey, Robinson, Martinez, Sano, Trout, Muncy, and a McKay. check out for more videos. I'll try to upload a couple times a week. La Stella, Juan Soto, Riley, Teft, Schmidt, Jenkins, The Closet, Where the Monsters Live. Yeah, this is release day for these very nice looking cards. Nola, Toro, Benintendi, Kepler, and a Gordon. Alex Gordon, relic card for the Kansas City Royals. Not a bad first hit. Zito, Paddock. Oh, we got something framed in here. Okay, Ozuna, Clemente, Stein, okay, Friedman, Jose Altuve, framed relic, bat relic, very nice, not numbered, hit number 2, Jansen, and gold. Excuse me, my allergies are bugging me. Okay. Kyle Schwarber. Kershaw. Giolito. I'm not going to try. Edwards. Bunning. And a die. And a rooster. Smoltz, Gehrig, Reynolds, Torres, Bananas, Kiner, and a single. 9 ways to first. No Luis Robert yet. Bench, Muncy, Alomar, Donaldson, Lucina, Bauer, Nola, not numbered, Sandy Alomar Jr. Johnson, Mercado, Wagner, Snell, Babe Ruth, Eckersley, and a Booming Cities, Istanbul, and Cornstalks. Bellinger, Story, Robles, Hosmer, Marte, Bjorn, Polanco, and a Ruby. Still looking for the autograph. Mauer, Diaz, Carew, Mondesi, Soroka, Mike Soroka, relic, Davis, Contreras. 3 relics. Where's my autograph? Mays, Brett, Munoz, Galen, Peterson, Trammell, Castellanos, Thome. Carter, Rivera, Lowe, Urquidy, Bogarts, Where the Monsters Live Under the Stairs, the Hayward. Is that a... Alright. Next pack. Shoot, I'm getting worried. Biggio, Molina, Olsen, Scurry, Murray, Hansen, Galen, and a Carlton Fisk. Oh, shoot, yo. Boggs, Marte, Boyd, Luis Robert. There he is. The best card we got in here. Ripken Jr., Wood, Fotheringham, and Tower. 4 more packs to go. Glavine, Ryu, Vogelbach, Martinez, Kikuchi, Munson, and a mini, Real Muto, and a tractor. 3 packs left. Thought you were supposed to get an autograph. Hoskins, Thome, Tanaka, Fotheringham, Usile, Crack the Code, Arusa, and Pyrite. Paul DeJong, Molitor, Puck, Cohen, Gold, Gooden, Larkin, and a horse. Moreno, Semyon, Goldschmidt, Soroka, Blackman, Springer, and then David Ortiz. So that was it for the box. Got a Luis Robert and 3 relic cards framed. And that. So really not the best box, but the Luis Robert, it's not too bad. I'll take him. And I don't think we got anything numbered. But, yep, I really like that product. It's got a nice old stock to it. They are all really colorful. And they make up of a bunch of different newer MLB players, older MLB players, celebrities, comedians, everyone. I'd say this product was pretty good. Maybe buy another one. I'll put that up here. But later, I will be opening this on here, 2020 Black. So you might want to check that out. You guys can like, subscribe, and comment.